Hi there, this is Rajkumar. We can learn how to remove hair's background in easy way using Photoshop tools. And also I'm going to show you the removing hair's fringes. You can put your subject any background that you like, any color in background that the fringes will not disturb. Let's get started. First we want to duplicate the image. Use shortcut key Ctrl plus J and select the quick selection tools using cut the image through edges. Please select the image edges exactly but don't feel about hairs. Select the body exactly. The selection is get out of image. Then hold alt button. Plus will change as minus and keep select outer of selection line. It will fix the edges exactly. After selection, check top place. There is a button. Select and mask or refine edge. Click that button. In properties box will appear. There is a view mode. Select view button. It will appear on screen. Onion skin, marching ants, overlay, on black, on white, black and white, on layer. We are going to select on black. Next in refine mode place smart radius select the checkbox. After radius point increases 9 point pixel. Click the refine edge brush tools and brush size keep it as 135. Select the edges of the image only on hair place. Don't touch the body section. And click checkbox decontaminate colors and keep it amount 80%. Click OK button. See the mask is created on image. Keep background on the before image. I delete the extra image. Click Ctrl plus J shortcut key for duplicate. And Ctrl plus E merge the image. See this section is cleared. Some place not well. We can give some depth in that place. Click clone tool. It is easy to make more depth. Clone tools to select clone whichever place. Hold alt and select for clone tools. Hold left click button mirror of the place. Just keep changes and background or as black. Whatever the Frenches we can see easy in black color. use eraser tool to clear the fringes in background. This way is easy to remove hair fringes and image background. We can check changing background colors to keep perfect removed background and hair fringes. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, click like button and comment whatever the idea. Please share and subscribe my channel to give more interesting tutorials.